Hello, today topic is how to use computer mouse. How to use a computer mouse. A computer mouse is a handheld pointing device and input device used with all desktop computer that moves the mouse pointer on the screen to help with portability. Mobile devices like a laptop use a touchpad instead of a mouse. Mobile devices like a smartphone and tablet use a touch screen for their pointer input. This page is designed to help new computer user become more and efficient efficient with a desktop computer mouse. Page con- connecting the mouse to a computer. Yourself with the mouse, holding the mouse, moving the mouse pointer, understanding the mouse chorus pointer, clicking with the mouse, clicking with the mouse, opening a file or program, selecting an object and highlight text, drag and drop, viewing pro- properties or right clicking, copy and paste, use the mouse wheel, use the mouse wheel, other mouse buttons, other types of mice, connecting and mouse to a computer. Before using the mouse, it must be connected correctly to the computer working. If you have a new computer and need help connecting the mouse or the mouse is not working, see our steps on connecting and installing a mouse. As far as the mouse wheel, it is used to scroll up or down and is also explained in detail later on this page. A generators generates movement using one of two technologies, optical or mechanical. Today the option mouse is commonly used, which utilize LED light emit or laser to detect movement. The other and older technology is the mouse, which use a ball and heels to determine the movement of the mouse. Holding the mouse. To hold the mouse, keep your thumb on the side of the mouse, index finger the left button and middle finger on the right button. While holding the mouse, relax your hand and make sure your hand is straight with your arm. You should never have your wrist at an angle while using the mouse. To move the mouse, use your ring finger and pinky to push and move left and your thumb to move right. All up and down movement is done by gently gripping the mouse and pushing on pulling the mouse, moving the mouse pointer. Using your right or left hand, pick up the mouse and move it to center of the mouse pad. Once in position, drag the mouse up, down, left or right to move the mouse pointer on the screen. If you reach the edge of your mouse pad, pick up the mouse and move it the opposite opposite side of the mouse pad. Then continue dragging the mouse in the directions you want the mouse pointer to move one way. The computer now the mouse pointer position is with an and y x-axis and y-axis value. As you move your mouse right the x axis value increase and moving left increase the x axis value.